Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be creating Douyin makeup, which has become so popular these days. I have been seeing it all throughout YouTube, and I also wanted to, create and see how it looks on my Indian features. So basically from the images online that I found, this makeup, emphasizes a little bit more on eyes and also the blush placement and of course that Korean Chinese, that pouty lips. This is like, very different to what I do on a normal basis. I don't know guys, but I'm just doing it to have some fun. As usual, I'm just going to put my hair up. Okay. And I'm gonna zoom you guys a little closer. Okay, so first I'm gonna start off with some skincare because of course in like Korean and Japanese or Chinese, all this makeup, they focus mainly on skin. Skin looks so nice and juicy. And so I am over this one zit right over here. Oh my god. I think it's been since like 6-7 months. It feels like it's been there forever. No matter how much skincare I'm using, this one zit is not, going out. So I have already cleansed my face. Now first I'm going to use this toner, and this one is the new toner that I got from Nambuzen. It's called as a super glowy essence. I think I've shared like a mini Korean haul recently on my shorts video. So yeah guys, again I keep posting on shorts as well, so do not forget to check out. I'm just going to take a little bit on my hand and apply. Next, again from Nambuzen, I have the #1 serum, and this is called as the Glowy Essence. This serum is so good. It just, gives such a beautiful glow onto your face. So I'm gonna take like, 5 drops like that on my skin. So this product is so good. It has given that nice bounce, that plump to my skin, which I just love. Let me just dry it out a little bit. And lastly, I'm just going to use a little bit of this moisturizer. This is the Klairs Rich Moist Soothing Cream. Just going to take so much of the product. If you use too much, the product will just slip and slide. It can just easily melt off, or it can become very cakey. So now it's almost evening, so that's why I'm using just a cream. Or if I'm doing this in the morning, then I'll just like directly apply a sunscreen. And that's my skincare done. So now I'm just going to wait for at least 5 to 10 minutes before I apply makeup. Today I'm gonna skip a primer because my skin looks really nice. I have dry skin, so I have like hydrated my skin really well. My pores are not too visible, so I don't have to use like a pore blurring primer or anything. So I just love this juicy skin, and that's why I'm just going to directly jump to foundation. And for foundation today, I'll be using this Huda Beauty's Faux Filter Foundation, and I'm in the shade Baklava. This is a very nice creamy product. So just going to apply all over. Like if you have dry skin, cream foundations are the best, you guys. Also, this foundation has really good coverage and it looks very skin-like. So I absolutely love this foundation as well. Okay guys, so next I'm going to apply some concealer, and for that I'll be using the NYX Bear With Me Serum Concealer. This concealer is my absolute favorite. It gives such a beautiful skin-like finish, and it also like plumps my under eyes a little bit. I don't know what it is, but the formula is just amazing, you guys. And also applying around here where I have some hyperpigmentation, and here. I'm also going to apply on this a mark. Again, I'm with the help of a makeup sponge, I'm gonna blend it all out. And also do not forget, the hollows of your eyes. This just like brightens your eyes instantly. Then blend, blend, blend. Also going to apply concealer on my lips. And whatever is remaining, I'm just going to tap it out on the rest of my face too. So the best thing about this concealer is it doesn't look like I have applied any makeup at all. It just like blends into my skin, looks absolutely natural. I have so many high-end concealers too, but this is my top favorite because of the finish that it gives me. It looks so natural and skin-like. Even in person, it looks so good. So next for powder, I'm going to be using the Pat McGrath Labs Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection powder, and this in the shade medium. And I'm just going to take this on my sponge, just a little bit, tiny amount, and I'm going to apply it right over there. And look at that, you guys. It has absolutely blurred my skin compared to this side. Can you see that? And it has made my skin so smooth, but still you can see that glow. So I'm going to apply on this side as well. So I'm also going to apply here where I have some smile lines. Okay guys, so I'm gonna come back and do my bronzer, blush and all of that later, but now let's move on to my eyes. So first for eyebrows, I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty's eyebrow pencil. Usually for doing makeup, people have like very straight eyebrows, but I had once shaved off my eyebrows. For that it took such a long time to grow out, so this time I'm not going to shave them off. Feeling like I should probably take off the ends, then it will look really pretty. I'm not gonna do it. And next, to set my eyebrow hair in place, I'm going to use the NYX Thick It Slick It Eyebrow Gel. Since this is in the shade brunette, it's going to lighten my brows just a tiny bit. Okay, so now to start off with my eyes, I'm first going to use this MAC Painterly Paint Pot, and this is in the shade Line Glow. Again, as you all can see, I have some discoloration, and this is such a beautiful product. And also, this is like really similar to my skin tone. Actually, I forgot to inform that you have to use a nice, a good pair of colored lenses for doing makeup. It's very, very essential. And these are from TTD Eyes. I got these in PR. So now for eyeshadow, I'll be using the Huda Beauty's Rich Nude Eyeshadow Palette. So if you search for doing makeup online, mostly the looks that you get are very brownish, reddish sort of looks. So I think for that, this palette is going to be perfect. So I'm first going to mix this and this shade and apply underneath my eyes. Next, I'm going to take this shimmer and starting from my inner corners, I'm going to take it all throughout my lower lash line. And I'm also going to apply the same shade, just take it like that on my inner corners. Okay guys, so that's how it should look like. And now for eyeliner, you can either go with brown, so it will look something like this, or you can use like a cherry red sort of a shade, which is going to look like this. You can use either or. So let me just go with the Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk eyeliner. Such a beautiful shade. Okay, it looks good, but I'm just going to use the brown shade now because it's not looking as darker as I want. So this from Kiro, it's their High Define Soothing Eyeliner Pencil. Look at that, you guys. This looks absolutely stunning. I really like it. So I'm going to mix and do the same thing on this side as well. I'm just going to apply this eyeliner on the outer corners. With the help of a smudging brush, I'm just going to smudge it out a little bit on the outer corners here and take it straight like that. So now I'm going to do a very thin wing liner. Like that. Again, going to apply it as close by to my eyelids as possible. Actually, I'm going to take this, flat brush. It should be very flat on the edges, or you can use a very thin, angled brush. And going back to my Huda Beauty palette, I'm going to take this dark brown shade. Okay, so just, draw a line like that. So it should almost look like you have an opening. Okay, so now I'm going to take the PAC Kajal. So that's how the shade looks like. And I'm just going to apply this on my waterline. And that opens up my eyes even more. Now apply it right over here. Yeah, to almost create like a puffy eye. Okay guys, so now taking the Huda Beauty eyebrow pencil, I'm just going to create that ego soul. Okay, so finally I'm just going to apply some glitter. I also applied a little bit of shimmer on my eyelids too. So next I'm going to apply some mascara. Okay, so that's how I created, fake lashes with the help of eyeliner. But I think I went a little overboard this side, so I'm gonna fix it later. I'm also going to apply some lashes. So I'm gonna use this pair of colorless lashes. And now finally we complete with our eye makeup, and moving on to my face makeup, I'm slightly going to contour my face with this Wet n Wild contour palette. So this turned out to be a little too, warmer. So I'm going to take another palette. This is the Seri Oh So Nice Face palette. And I'm going to take this contour shade. I'm going to use this shade for blush. And I'm going to place it on my cheekbones, especially on the outer corners. And I'm also going to use a little bit on the bridge. Okay guys, so now moving on to lips. I'm first going to line my lips with a nude lip liner. And this is from Milani. So since I have pigmented lips, I just like to do this step. Next, I'm going to take this Romand Blur Fudge Tint, and this shade is just so pretty. I actually got this from Macaron. I'm going to apply this on the inner parts of my lips. And to enhance that Cupid's bow, I'm just going to apply this right over here and slightly blend it out with my finger. That's how it should look like. Now for the gloss, you know what? Do not like straight away go and apply like this. Otherwise, the definition that you have created for your Cupid's bow is going to, like go off and it's going to look a little odd. So this is how you're supposed to apply, okay? Just lightly tap. And then apply on your lips. Okay guys, so that's how it should look. So now to set this in place, I'm going to take my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. And this is just going to lock everything in place. That's my completed Douyin makeup. I really don't know how I feel about the bangs right now, but apart from that, I think the makeup itself looks so good. This is definitely very different to what I do, but I still feel, it kind of enhances my eyes. Like, look at that. My eyes look a little big. It's making my face also look a little small. Overall, I really like how this look turned out. Let me know what do you think about this makeup. And if you enjoyed today's video, then definitely like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all next time. Bye, guys.